Hi everyone. So for this video, basically I'll be discussing about multimedia system and technology. So first of all, I would like to discuss about the multimedia project design, which will be talking about design and development at first glance. Okay, so in order to design the multimedia tech system, basically the programmer and user should have the skill whereby the skill is involved in design and conceptualization of the system, and the skills required over here is second one is using various tools and software, whereby it's not limited to one tools and software. So tool is all about devices, right? So about the software, we could have the this, and whereby subtitles this, right? Okay, so then the third one would be integrating the multimedia resources, whereby the we could have the audio plus video plus graphic. Okay, right. So then multimedia application requires several consideration. The elements for the multimedia must be synchronized at the same time. So basically, when we have the time frame of this particular, let's say 2 seconds for this audio, so this audio could be must be synced with this video, and this would be subtitle and so on, so must be synchronized. Second one is the interface need to be friendly, so whereby the user should, or easy to find where should they interrupt, touch, or intercept the range of apps. So then to choose from a number of alternative technology for the project development that available. So meaning it must not focusing on one particular technology, but somehow the various like interaction with the audio, sensing, touchscreen, pens, and so on. All right. So every single thing happen in multimedia system in order to find to design it. Basically, requires a ADDI. Okay, so analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. So the first one is analysis. Basically, this stage, the study of the requirement is essential, and from this study came out with the system specification before we draft or design the multimedia system. So in the analysis, there will be three particular analysis group. So the first one is a user analysis, whereby the multimedia system requires to analyze in terms of who are the potential candidates or user, and who is the level what is the level of computer literacy of that particular user, and what will the user achieve by using the program. So meaning output or capability of that particular technology. So obviously the second one is content analysis. So what content should be available and the structure of the content. So meaning which is not available, or what are those things that will be available to all the users and to all the selected users. So what about the access to some security contents, if I may say it. So the third one is technical analysis. What is the hardware and software for that particular system which involved in the technology. So the second one is design. So design a multimedia involve the following, whereby we do have two processes in design. The first is interface, while the second is technical. So have the feature for user to navigate the application. User should be in control. So whereby the navigate application should be considered. Look and feel, aesthetic and usability is the element could be considered in the interfacing design. So while the key feature of multimedia application is creative, resourceful is the keyword that we discussed at the early of our lecture. Beautiful and full of knowledge. Okay, but not to forget about the technical design. Format standard for videos, graphic, and audio need to be selected and synchronized for all the particular platform that we use to design the system. Okay, so in order to develop the system involve building the multimedia application defined in design phase. So what has been designed in the design phase. So basically here we need to know what kind of authoring tools or software which will be used. Prototype development involve navigation, structure, and link. So basically this will be designing means a sketch for the navigation. Okay, so example, the navigation could be linear and non-linear structure. Okay, thank you for watching the NMZH channel. So hopefully you guys enjoy and get the benefit knowledge from this video. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.